Yo, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome in. Let's take a look at what's happening here today. We have no news. We only got some orange folders, which I don't really think we have to worry about here. And let's take a look at gold. So, new week. Let's take a look at the weekly candle here. And wow, as we can see, previous week was a crazy, just straight pumper, right? Like this candle is a brick, a green brick, right? And now candle opened, there's a huge gap. We managed to hit 5K, which we were talking about the previous week, right? We think gold might hit 5K like very soon, and which we now have done. And yeah, I think we can still continue up from here. Like gold is just bullish, bullish, bullish. The only time I will start to become bearish is if that I see a support getting formed and then a closure below that, right? And we have not had any of that on the higher time frames, such as the daily or the weekly. Like the daily candle, our last support was all the way down here, right? So we have been just pumping up, right? So buys definitely is what I'm gonna be looking for here. Let's see, 4-hour candle. We closed bullish, but now we're coming down here, right? We're coming down. We might actually end up closing below, potentially. You never know. We might come up as well. So 4-hour candle is, you know, we can go both ways here, I think. 1-hour candle, we're approaching this support here that we might close below in 22 minutes. Let's see. If we do close below, I do believe we can come down, but I don't know how much, right? I'm still sticking to this bullish bias. And that sales are going to be more risky to take here for today. So as of right now, I think buys are going to be looking better. So if we get some sort of support above this line here, then we might be able to get some good buys in. And if we move that line actually right here. So yeah, a 30-minute support at this line right here is going to be money, right? Anything up here, anything above here is nothing for me. So I'm just going to wait for a 30-minute support to get formed here. Potentially, maybe we can get a 15 support, but we'll have to wait around 9 o'clock, 9:15 for that. So that's pretty much what I'm looking for today. Simple and easy day today. It's a Monday as well. So if we don't see that, then probably going to stay out. And we got Cyper in the building.
Let's go.
So yeah, anything you guys are looking for?
Yeah, I'm looking for exactly what you just said. A support and a buy, and that's pretty much gonna be the only plan I have for the day.
Yeah.
If I don't get the support and the buy, I'm pretty much close down and come back tomorrow.
Exactly. And if we do get it, then hopefully it'll be a win, and then I can take out this payout. Yeah. Or I was thinking as well, if I do get this 5th profitable day, right? Maybe I should wait to take the payout, right? And then wait for CPI. That could also be a thing. And then take the payout at CPI and then full margin CPI.
Yeah.
So maybe that will be the plan, but then I won't trade this account until then. So we'll have to see. We'll see.
But you already took a payout on this account, right?
Yeah, I did. I took a payout.
Yeah.
Now I need one more profitable day, and then that's another payout.
So in that case, just build so you can take a payout, and then you can take small trades just to keep the account alive pretty much until CPI. You take a payout on the CPI day and max out.
Yeah, let's see. I think. Yeah, I don't know if it will work with CPI as well. If I do take the payout, will I be able to go full risk? I hope. But we'll see.
Yeah, you should because so when I took a payout, I actually tried that theory. You know the payout, the account. I took a payout like last week or 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
So the same day I took the payout, I maxed it out with 3 or 4 MGC, I think. Yeah,
Okay, so it works.
The size should be the same. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, then I might actually wait to take the payout and take it on CPI day and then go 15 GCs.
Let's go. Yeah, I mean
That would be
150.
crazy. 14. I'll do 14 GC. 14 GCs on CPI next month. And let's see if it can be a big one. That would be a crazy move if it goes in the right direction.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, as long as it pumps, bro. We have my bitch in the chat. My wife.
Sweet time in the chat.
Let's go.
So yeah, 18 minutes here. 18 minutes for this support. If we get this support, I like it. I like it a lot. It's gonna be nice.
You know, I also, before I knew what it's about, I also said it was sweet time, but
Wait, it's not?
actually sweetie me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I also like the first 4 years, bro. I said sweet time. I was like, yeah, I always thought it was that. But
Oh my god, sweetie me, sweet
Yeah.
time. How do we get it for sweet time?
yeah, I always said that back in the day. Also, it was crazy.
Yeah,
So-
it's because the E is hiding
Yeah,
secretly, right? If there was no E, then it would have been sweet time.
Yes, when we started a PlayStation profile for her, I told her you gotta name it Sweet Time, bro.
So sweetie me.
Yeah, exactly. So everybody's reading it wrong. So I don't know.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah.
Sweet time.
Yeah. Yeah, I always said the same, bro. They just popped up in my head right now.
Yeah.
Because I thought she had Sweet Time actually on YouTube.
Mhm.
I didn't know until now actually it was. I just saw that.
Yeah.
I had to spell it out to see it.
So we
Yeah,
got
let's see.
1 minute on the 15, but I'm not touching this 15. But the 30 minute looking nice if we just hold it though. I don't want to break the highs and start moving up already. If we do end up doing that, that's gonna be unfortunate because then we gotta wait more.
If we close just like this on the 30, I like it. But if we can pull back down a little bit more and then close like below or something, and then we can wait for another 30 minutes
Yeah.
for a bullish closure at 9:30. That would be
Even better.
the
That
best,
would-
bro.
Yeah, that would be
That
even
would-
better. But
Yeah,
if we
I
get
would-
this 30-minute support, I'm
Nice.
taking it as well.
Yeah, same.
And then that's the 1 hour. Actually, here, if we close above this, because then that's the 1 hour closing above support and the 30-minute closing support, you know?
Yeah.
That would be
Yeah.
the best.
Yep.
That would be very nice if we get that.
Very nice.
And let's see, do we have any special news this week? We got nothing on tomorrow. We got FOMC on Wednesday. So maybe the markets overnight will do something. We got unemployment claims on a Tuesday, on a Thursday. And then Friday, we got PPI. And that's the month. This week is the last month as well. And then we go into February.
Yeah, last week of the month. Crazy. And then
So,
we
yeah.
should see some markets, bro, heating up.
I'm
in
excited for February 11th. February 11th is CPI. I'm gonna be waiting for that. So 15 closed above. Now let's see if the 30 will end up closing above here. Or the range is big. Let's see. Let's see, I break up the high here. That's like 100 pips. Yeah, 200 pips. Yeah, I would say the ranges are pretty big here today.
Yeah.
So I like that. I like that.
If I, yeah, exactly. So 30 closer, just like this, or maybe even green. That would be nice. Very nice.
But man, I'm debating. I don't know. Should I take the payout now if I do get a profitable day, or should I take it on CPI day? It's like,
well,
the thing is, if I do take the payout now, I could potentially build up back the account for CPI day
and take another payout.
and take another, but that could also not happen, right? It's not guaranteed.
So the thing is, what is guaranteed if you get a payout now? If you don't take the payout, you are guaranteed to have the payout for CPI.
Yeah.
And also you have 2 other accounts also, so you don't really... I mean, do you need the money now? That's the question.
No, I don't need the money now.
No. So in that case, do you want more money, or do you want to take the money and take what you get? And
It's just because I'm thinking, because if I were to take the payout now, I could trade on this account as well. And then on CPI day, that would be the 3rd payout of the account, right? And then I would only need 2 more payouts, and then I go live on the account.
yeah, potentially, yeah. I see what you're saying, but imagine you take this payout and then you work your ass up to another like 2,500 payout, and then if you win CPI, let's say you make 15k, you can only take out 5k 2 times, instead of, if you don't take this payout, you can take out 5k 3 times.
I mean, yeah, that's true, but let's say I take out 5k 2 times and I move live, I still have the money that I made, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
And then
true. That's true.
So it's still the same amount, but I don't know.
Then they're still gonna take like all the profit from the other accounts also, so you can just...
They are?
Yeah.
Are you
Top
sure?
Step is doing... Yeah, Top Step. I'm not 100% sure, but Top Step is putting all the budget from all the accounts into one live account, while Top One is just taking from one account.
So let's say I have this 50k which is in drawdown, and I have a 50k which is in profit. Would it take the drawdown and the profit and put it into this account?
No, the drawdown I don't think they touch. They only take the... I think they only take the profit ones and build it up. But if you have drawdown, maybe they delete that from the budget. You know, I don't know.
We'll see. If not, then I'll just blow the accounts on purpose before that. I'll have to do some research on that before figuring out what they do when you do move live. But that's first in a long time.
So the thing with live is they put the budget that you have all the way up to 150k. That's the limit what they can give you. So everything above 150k liquid, they only gonna give you 150.
So no cam on Cyper today. Yeah, Cyper is on no cam today.
I couldn't get the website to start, so
He's a little bit shy today.
yeah. I have a bad hair day, bro. You should see the bush.
So 9 minutes.
Nine minuter.
I like how we're not moving too much right now. I like that. I like how gold is waiting for us right now. That is good. As if we can keep up this volume right here, where we're just not moving that much, I like that.
Yeah.
And then 9 a.m. we get a steep bottom wick coming down, and then we get the buys on the previous high, and then bam, take off. So this is the thing, right? It doesn't need, for me now, it does not even need to close support. It just needs to close above this line.
Yeah, because
if we close above the line, inverted celery. Yeah, definitely. So if we close above this line at this point, I'm taking a buys on the break of the previous high, right? So as long as we close above, buys are looking very, very nice. But we still need the bottom wick.
Yep. So. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, and if we see the volume is starting to kick in like the last 2 minutes, then we know it's gonna be a user.
Yeah, let's see. I hope it doesn't, like, the volume kicks in last 2 minutes and just fills the range. That would be unfortunate. I hope the volume kicks in the beginning of the next 30 minute, comes down fast, and then breaks the high fast, and you just boom, boom, boom. Away we go.
Yeah, that would be nice. Let's see. Let's see where we can get. I have my support line a little further down though, 62.
Yeah, I moved it up because the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Because if the 30, like the 1 hour and the 30 minute are going to close at the same time, right? So if the 1 hour closes above and the 30 minute closes above, it's just going to look way better. Because if the 1 hour were to close below, then maybe then it's a breakout for the 1 hour. So maybe the 1 hour would overpower the 30 minute and we would come down and then we would get stopped out. So I think a closure above here is way more secure. Because then it's both the 30 and the 1 hour closing back above. And yeah, it's looking nice if that happens.
Yeah, that makes way more sense, bro. I'm glad I asked. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, so let's see.
Good eye.
Will gold wait for us?
Yeah, we're on the way up now. If we close exactly like this, bro, that would be amazing.
Yeah, that'll be good too, but I don't want us to come up too much.
Nah.
If we can just calm down, gold. Just calm down. Yeah. Thank you. 7 minutes is all we need.
Brother, chill.
Everyone trading right now, stop what you're doing. Just wait 7 minutes, take a break, and then you can resume.
Yeah. You don't have to put so much liquidity into the markets right now, bro.
Save your liquidity for 9 a.m.
Exactly.
And then you can just buy gold, and then we can.
Imagine we had like 1 million viewers, and everybody was like the real liquidity of the market, and we told them to just stay out, and the market just froze, and then we say buy, and it just pumps. We are the volume makers. That would be nice.
Volume makers.
Yeah.
Everyone stop buying gold right now. Wait 7 minutes and then you can continue.
Mm-hmm.
All right. then next stream we'll play. Okay, today guys, no trading today. No one buys gold. The whole day gold doesn't move.
Yeah. Bro, I downloaded TradingView to my phone so I can trade from top one from my live account from my phone. And the first thing that popped up was like 385 million orders was in the market at that time.
How do you see that?
300. I don't know, bro. It just popped up somewhere.
On TradingView.
Yeah, on TradingView. So it was something
like a notification or like an indicator. What was it?
Nah, let's see if I can find it. It was like big numbers, just 385 million orders was in. So people were
like, that's how many orders were in. So like if I were to take two
activated.
Yeah.
But that's for the whole market. So basically all like every like silver, gold, Nasdaq.
Yeah, of course.
So imagine just 385 million fucking orders, bro.
I mean, I think gold might be the most famous pair out of them.
It's gold and Nasdaq.
And Nas, yeah, right. I think those two are the most like, well-known pairs out of in trading. I don't really know too much about the other ones. Like there's GJ, which we used to trade, but we don't talk about that.
There's a lot of people trading USD, Euro USD.
Yeah, Euro USD.
Euro USD and Nasdaq and gold. That's the 3 most traded.
And then there's also like the very exotic pairs, where it's like random ass currencies. but the volume in
Yeah.
those are very weird.
Yeah, I mean you can trade like the USD, GPY, the Japan yen. That's a popular pair, but I've never tried it.
Now here's the thing: if we close below, that will also be fine. Then we just have to wait for another candle closure.
Yeah, I would want to see this candle actually closing above, because on the if the 15 can close like onion, and the 30 close onion.
Yeah, closing above would be best, right? Because then we can get in now. We can get with the volume. If we close below, though, there is no FOMO. We just gotta wait another 30 minutes, and then we can get in. And that's 9:30. And then if we still stay down here during 9:30, then we most definitely will make a move.
Yeah.
But I think the closing above now would be the nicest, because then we don't have to wait for another 30 minutes. And if we had to wait another 30 minutes, I do believe gold most likely will move somewhere out of this area, either down or up, right? But let's see, 2 minutes here. It's looking good so far. So far, we're still looking good. We haven't moved up too much. We're near the range. As long as we close above here in the next 2 minutes, then we should be good to go.
Yeah, I mean, if we don't close above, we can just wait for the 30 to close above, and that's 9:30.
Yeah. But I actually would prefer to close above now, because then the 1 hour would also close above.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because if 1 hour close like this now, and then 9:30 comes around and comes up a little bit, it might just push the 1 hour down, bro.
Yeah, let's see. We're coming back up. Let's see. This is gonna be a close one. This is not where we don't know. It could close below. It could close above. It's gonna be a close call here. Where are we gonna go?
So
The last minute.
30 minutes. As long as it close above, it's valid for buys because of the inverted onion, inverted celery. Or do you want it to like be a little bit higher?
No, as long as we close above, I'm taking it. I don't care if we close green or red. As long as we close above this range, it's good.
Yeah, I mean, inverted celery is like a also 90% win rate.
Yeah, very high.
Yep.
55 seconds.
Yeah.
Come on.
I have the big whiteboard above my screen with all the like breakout 75%, onion 97%, celery like inverted celery 95%, fade 85%. I have all of it on the whiteboard, bro. Yeah, 30 seconds. Let's see.
Man, it's plain. It's a teasing candle right here. It's 20 seconds left, and we're right at the line.
Yeah,
we're right at the line. Can we just move up? Move up, go.
15
Pop up.
pips.
How's the 1 minute? Come on.
Just push up, push up.
And I think we're close below. Yep. All right, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. That was very close right there, but we have to wait.
Alright, let's see what the 9:30 candle is gonna do, or the 9 candle.
Yeah, 9:30, 9:15. Let's see what will gold do now, since we ended up closing below under 1 hour. Let's see what gold will do. If we come down now, would be nice. If we come down now, it would be nice, and then we reject and come back up and then close support. Yep. That would also be fine.
Yeah, come down and try to fill the wick already now. That would be nice, because in that case we don't need to come down and try to fill the wick later.
Exactly.
Varför tar vi inte den här breakouten
Breakout.
neråt?
Den är overextended och sen om du tittar på 4 timmar och en dag så är vi bullish. Så vi säljer inte.
So yeah, let's see now. We're coming down. I like that. It's a good start that we're coming down here. Because then, if we can stay down here until 9:30 and then close above, then the buys are also looking good.
Yep.
So we still got some time left.
Yep. There's no reason to take a breakout to the downside.
Yeah, no. Like, look at the 30 minute. This 30 minute is so clean to take the buys back up. It is too overextended for the sells at this point.
Yeah.
It is very clean. If we do get a support to take the buys back up, we have clean range. Everything is lining up perfectly.
Yeah, too overextended to the downside. We already melted like 200 pips before this candle. Of course, this breakout would have pretty much worked out pretty well, but we're too overextended, and also 4 hour, 1 day, and weekly, every other time frame is bullish. So this is the pullback we wanted, bro. So just if we can come up now, close green, we are good to go. Maybe we can come up and tap into all-time high again.
Yeah, there's definitely a possibility here.
Yeah, so basically what I said, bro, the last days, bro, every time we open up for a new daily, bro, the first thing that happens in Asian is just pumping up 1,000 pips into into all-time highs. And it has done that for the last 6 days. It's only been 1 day that we didn't pump up in Asian. Only 1 day out of 6 days. So right now, just counting last 1.5 week, you have a, what is it, like 80% chance of going up in Asian session.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. We're just pumping every Asian session, and then NY comes along, bro, and gold just melts down again. It's like Trump is trying to get gold to go down, and Xi Jinping is trying to get the gold to go up. It's a battle of the fittest, bro.
But let's see. I like how we're rejected now. I think if we can come back up, it's looking money.
Yeah. Yeah, I believe in this. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Otherwise, I mean, it looks great. I will be down to wait another 30 minutes if we don't get it at 9:30.
Yeah.
100%. Looks amazing. Good. I had a dream. Trust me, I'm an engineer. As long as gold doesn't melt now, like if we can just hover around for a few minutes and maybe 9:15 we close back up, or 9:30, as long as we don't just melt down. But if we melt, it's whatever.
Yeah, if we're not, then there's nothing we can do, and we just gotta wait.
Yeah.
I am back.
Welcome back.
Well, are you looking for something?
We're waiting for the support. Still waiting.
Yeah, looking good after that leader.
Yeah.
Sales played out, the breakout played out nicely. Very nicely.
Yep. So I think if we close back above this line right here, buys are looking very nice. On the 15 time frame, if we close above, I don't know if I want to take that. I think 30 minute is definitely like that's the one that I want to close above, you know. 15 minute, we could see the move happen there, so you know what I mean. It's like I think waiting for the 30 will be the best for me here. So I would want the 15 to close below, and then the 30 close above, and then the next 15 with the 30 closing both of them above. That would be the best.
Yep.
You know?
But are you down to execute on the 15?
Yeah, I don't know. I think I might execute on the 50k. If we close above on the 15, I'll take it on the 50k account.
Yeah.
If we close above on the 30, I'll take it on both 150 and the 50.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Because it's not bad if we close above on the 15. It's just not the best, right? And we wanna get the best setups. We don't wanna be in the mediocre ones.
Yeah, if we have a potential A++ setup coming up just 15 minutes later, why settle for a B setup?
Yeah.
That's like...
And it could potentially be a 15 closing above and then a 15 celery with the 30 closing above. You never know.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Also like high stake risk, you know, put all on the line. I'm gonna put the house on this trade, bro.
That's all you. I'm I think I'm gonna wait for CPI to go all in.
Yeah,
oh yeah, Alex. So I was thinking, I have you know, if I get one more profitable day, I can take a payout, right? So I was thinking, should I take the payout then, or should I wait for CPI and take the payout and then full margin that account?
What is the options? Take it now or take it before CPI?
Take it on CPI, right? Before CPI comes out, but on the day. And then go with 14 GCs for CPI.
And the other option?
Take it out whenever I get a profitable day.
I'm trying to build it up again.
I mean, it's worth the first option with going 14 GCs because you have the payout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would probably go with that.
Yeah, wait for CPI then? Okay. So, it has been decided. If I do take a win here on the 150k, I will on the 11th.
2 weeks.
Yeah, okay, Malaka, very possible.
Yeah, so I will not trade on that account until CPI then. Take the payout and then go full margin on CPI.
Yep.
And then if CPI plays out, all I need is 100 pips and that's 14,000.
Imagine these ranges, bro. Just from the downside to the top, it's like 400 pips. That's
Yeah.
60k, bro. 60k.
So that would be crazy.
Yep.
And worst case scenario, I get the payout and I lose the account.
But then you got the payout.
And then I got the payout and then I can buy 10,000 more accounts with that.
Yeah, exactly. And then you can just buy 10 more accounts and
rinse and
add them
repeat.
to-
Rinse and repeat.
Yeah. CPI will come around next month anyway. So
Exactly.
Like the month after that. So.
And one of them is going to play out. And then you're going to have 14k in your account. And you can take out 5k every, you know, 5 profitable days.
Yeah, all we need is one CPI to work out. Even if it was like a 10% chance of winning,
It would still be worth it.
Actually, yeah, because if you, let's say you lose 9 times. Let's say you have one account for $100. You lose you lose 9 times. That's $900, and then you win 1 time, and you make 15k.
Yeah.
That's like, come on, bro.
And the funny thing is that the win rate is actually like, we have like a 90% win rate on CPI.
Yeah.
But that's back testing, right? And then for me with forward testing, so by taking the trades in the real market conditions, I haven't lost a single CPI yet. So 100% win rate so far.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah,
So far, we have 100% win rate. Except for that, you got pack break even, but that's because if you actually just closed. That
Yeah,
would
but
be,
it's still not a loss, you know. So it's still.
exactly. That still counts as a win because you were up like 2K and you could have just taken it out, but
Yeah, that's a
and not
50K, so I was just holding for that.
exactly. So imagine 14 contracts, only 100 pips. That's 14K. So if we were up just as much as we were up that day, but you took it with 14 contracts, that would be like you would probably close out.
Yeah, I would have been up like maybe 20K.
Yeah. So I agree, bro. 100% win rate right now.
So yeah, let's see.
I only lost that CPI because I had like $50 left in drawdown. So
And it was a weird CPI in my opinion. It was a very weird
yeah.
CPI. We did not print it. Like it was a very weird
The last
CPI.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah, very weird.
but
I
that's like
I lost
a unusual CPI, which still played out and in my favor at least. But I think next CPI.
We've had this. If you back the CPI, you have this also on the back.
Yeah.
This CPI is not every CPI.
But I think this CPI coming up February is gonna be money. I just feel it. I got a feeling.
Yeah, and even if we don't get it on this CPI, I mean next CPI, the CPI after that, one of them's gonna hit, and hopefully it's gonna be one of them when we have 5 accounts on the line, bro. That's gonna be amazing. The time when we hit the CPI 100% played out with 14 contracts on 5 accounts, that's gonna be a crazy day, bro. A crazy day. Imagine just retiring pretty much.
Retiring.
You can retire, yeah, you can pretty much retire for 2 years with that money.
So you got 550Ks and all of them go 14 GCs on CPI. Imagine.
Yeah, 550Ks. So that's around $5 million.
5 million.
yeah, 550Ks.
550Ks.
Yeah,
And then they all
550.
make, let's just say they all make 100 pips with 14 GC. So they all make 14K. So that's 14,000 times 5.
It's 75K.
Yeah.
Around 75K.
So now you have 5 accounts that have 75K in them. You know what I mean?
That's basically 2 years of income in Sweden, bro.
And then you can take out 5K every 5th profitable day, right? So 25K every like other week, pretty much. You could make.
You can take 5K times 5 every 5 days if you want.
Yeah.
So that's 25K every week until the money's gone.
And then maybe you'll be making, you know what I mean? Like we're still trading the strategy, right? So you could be making on top of that. So now you have, the thing is you have such a big room now. Like if you were to lose 10 good trades in a row, full risk, like risking a lot, you would still be you still have an account to trade. You know what I mean? So that's what it sets you up for. It sets you up for having such a huge loss limit, right? So almost at that point, it's like trading a personal account, right? Because your stops are so big.
Exactly.
And then you can just scale it and scale it and scale it and take out payouts and payouts. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and if you think about it, if you, let's say you have that kind of money, it's pretty much inevitable to take 5 payouts. So in the end, when you have taken all the payouts, all the money is left on account. They're gonna put on a live account, and that's gonna be like, you know, then you have infinite amount of pretty much, you know, you can take payouts every day and take 100%. You know. So yeah, 1 CPI is all we need, bro. Just 1 CPI with 5 accounts.
Let's see, the 15 looks like we might close above here.
Yeah,
only
the
has
30 might look low support for you.
Well,
Yeah,
let's
look
see.
at the 30, bro.
30 looks clean. 30 looks so good.
That is a full margin trade right there.
15 ended up closing above. I don't know if I like it so far. I think it's best to wait.
Yeah, I like it, but the time is not right.
I mean, this is a good time. 9:15 is a good time. But
Yeah, but
the only
9:30
thing,
is a better time.
yeah, of course, 9:30 is a better time. But I think I would take this trade if there was no opportunity coming 9:30. Right? So if this was like a trade to where you see there's no 30-minute candle that's going to close support. Like let's say this for example, right? The 30-minute was all the way up here, right? And we came down, and the 30-minute has no top wick, and you see the 15 closing support. Now then, you know what I mean, then you could take that trade because you know the 30-minute won't give you anything, but the 15-minute
Yeah.
can.
Yep.
So let's wait here 14 more minutes and see if we can get that that entry.
Now we're getting the bottom wick on the 15. We might actually.
But I
Wait.
will take
Shut the
it
fuck up.
on the 50k.
Are you gonna take the 15 on the 50k?
Yeah, as I said before, right? So if we do get this,
Yeah,
I'll take it on the 50k. And then the 150k, I'm only waiting for if the 30 closes above.
Yep.
So spreading the
100.
accounts, you know?
100 pip drawdown. As of now. Yep, makes sense.
100 pip drawn out, crazy.
I mean, technically we already have, if you look at the 30 and you don't take the 1 hour into consideration, 30 is already having a inverted salary.
Yeah.
So this might actually work out.
But I think we can wait here. Like, I'm just taking it on the 50k because it's a, you know, more risky account. I'm fine with taking a loss on the 50. But if the 30-minute closes support, I'm entering with that 150k. So this is just in case we run, I'm in. If we don't run, I'll get in with both accounts. So, you know.
I'm gonna take the 15 with 1 MGC. So, or maybe 2. Yeah, I'm gonna go 2 MGC. Because then I have more capital if 30 closes better. I'm debating in my head right now. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
If this 30-minute closes support, oh my god, it's looking good.
Yep.
Like, if I take a loss on that 30-minute support trade, I am gonna be happy. You know what I mean? Like, that's such a good setup. That loss or win, that's a, you know, just beautiful thing to participate in.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 2 MGC on this, and if we get the 30 closure, I'm gonna go like
1 GC.
Yeah, 1 GC, because that's pretty much full margin for me.
Like, you would blow the account if that was a loss?
Depends on the drawdown. I mean,
how much drawdown?
Basically, if we have the drawdown now, yeah, because that's 100.
That's 1,000.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, no, I might actually survive.
How much do you have left on the account?
Bro, I don't know, bro.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't even know how much drawdown I have. I have down to, I have 1,750 drawdown, I think. So I might have around 800 left. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, I might blow the account. So I might blow the account if I go with 1 GC. So let's see. But if I win, bro, if we come all the way up, that's gonna be around 2K, bro.
So let's
And
see.
also I can take a payout. I'm activated. What?
I'm not.
I broke the highs.
Yeah, I have mine a little bit more above.
Yeah.
Let's see, if we break it, then it should be good.
Yeah, I had it on 8. So if it breaks the high now one more time, it should just fly, bro.
Are you taking a trade?
Yes.
Yeah, we're taking it small risk. And if the 30 is coming, then we go full margin.
Yeah, so if this trade doesn't play out and the 30 closes support, then I'm just gonna enter in on the 150k on that 30 support.
Yeah.
But in
Order
case
filled.
we do run now, I'm gonna be in here on the 50k.
Yeah, so that's because look at it. We closed with a huge bottom wick on the previous candle, and now this candle creates a huge bottom wick. Now we're coming up to break the previous high. I don't think we're gonna come back down again now.
Let's see.
Look at the huge bottom wick, bro, on the 30.
Stop. Yeah, let's see here. It's looking good. We broke the highs. We pumped up. We also broke previous 30 highs now. So that's a good sign. So this is the reason we got in. In case it runs, we make some money. If it doesn't run, we can enter and hopefully make some money as well.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you're gonna take this trade, just remember it's a lower probability trade. It's still a good trade, but it's lower probability, so just do less.
Risk an account that's, you know, not as important, this and that, you know what I mean?
And if you're actually, I'm gonna speak to my brother, if you're trying to learn how to trade, don't execute on these half good trades. Execute on only the A++ setups.
Yeah.
That's the way to learn how to trade. Just execute the best setups when you're trying to learn how to trade. Because if you don't know how to execute the A++ setups, you should not touch the B setups.
Yeah. Because you might risk more than you can handle, and you might take a loss, and then.
Yeah.
So this is the thing, right? We risk according to how the setup is. If the setup is good, we risk more. If the setup is bad, we risk less. Right? But we still execute. But someone who is more of a new person might risk the same or might risk more, not knowing which setup is good and which setup is bad. So they might end up losing money, even though we have the same win rate, you could say, right? We have the same win rate, but they lost more on the losing trades and won less on the winning trades because they didn't know how to risk accordingly. So it's very important to know when to size up and when to size down, because that determines if you're gonna make or lose money at the end of the day, right?
Yeah.
So we're coming up here. Break even will be at this 15 resistance here.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the break even line, and then full TP is put it here.
Yeah, we already used up like 50 pips, so
Yeah, it looks good.
price action wise, we have the perfect break even spot. I would wanna let it run for like 89, because now if 930 is gonna be 930 is in 5 minutes, we might just come down for a bottom wick and fly, bro. So I might just leave this one as it is, not go break even, because if we go break even and don't hit the full TP, we might just get tapped out on the bottom wick of the 930 candle.
Yeah, so it depends. If we end up closing, right, and it looks like the bottom wick will top us out, we'll keep the stops here. If we end up like closing very, very high up, then we could go break even. If we close with no top wick, I'm closing, you know what I mean? So it's also about managing the trade on how we close. So let's see. If we close like this, I'm not going break even, right? Because you do expect the bottom wick to come back down here and then come up. So
yeah,
just gotta wait.
I'ma have my full TP up at 89, like the full range, because I'm expecting 930 to push us all the way up now.
89?
89.
Why not 94?
Yeah, 94 is if you look at the 1 hour.
You can put at the top wick.
So 1 hour resistance. That's gonna be why, and also 4 hour.
4
top
hour.
wicks, you can aim for the top wicks, but I like to aim for the candle body because that's basically the higher probability.
Maybe we aim for all-time highs.
Yeah, we might just go break even if we come up here and then just drag trade stops.
I mean, all-time highs is definitely very possible because if you look at the 4 hour, if this 4 hour flips and breaks his own highs, all-time highs is definite, like guaranteed to happen, right? If we break this high right here on the 4 hour, we look like we're good to come up.
Yeah, and in that case, just have like a 15 GC contract, like buy stop on the break of the all-time high. Just hold.
Let's see, it looks good. 3 minutes left. Gotta wait. We might actually get entry on the 30-minute too on the other account here.
Yeah, if we get this entry on the 30, I'm a add 8 more lots, bro. And I'm gonna put my stops wherever the 30 bottom wick is gonna be. Let's see. We might just pump up, break the highs once again before, and just pump the last 1 minute. And everybody who's waiting for 9:30 is gonna be pissed.
Yeah, that could have been us, but you know what I mean. We entered with a lower risk, so we at least, if the trade were to play out as it's doing right now, could get some of the profits.
Yeah, I mean, just look at it. We tapped my break-even spot at 55 pips, so that's 55 pips, bro. So I mean, that's a full trade if you just have the size in.
Yep. We're moving and grooving. Let's go. So that's my break-even point here, but I'm gonna wait because we have 2 minutes left. So I do believe we could come down for this bottom wick. So I'm gonna let it run up here.
Yeah, we have to close with a top wick also. Oh, look at that push, bro.
Yeah, I think I'm out there. I'm happy with that. I'm out there.
Yeah.
800 on the 50K. So now the 50K is looking pretty nice, I would say. Now I have 4 profitable days on the 50K as well, so I need 1 more profitable day to get a payout on that. And you see, like this trade we took here on Friday, that loss, wiped that loss away and made profit from it on 1 good trade, you know what I mean? So, perfect. Yeah, I'm out. I like it. I like that profit right there, and I'm happy with being out here. And see, and now if we would have waited, I'm not taking this on a 30-minute no more. It's too overextended at this point. So yeah, beautiful.
Close as well because you might come down now.
Yeah, exactly. The 30 might pull back to either leave a top wick or it might pull back for the bottom wick. You know what I mean? So a good time to close up here. You know, we're tapping very, very near this support here on the 30. So we could reject from there, right? So very nice closure. Out. And now, yeah, 80 pip trade. Not bad.
Yeah, I'm still in. Let's
go.
Can just push up, break the highs 1 more time, and I'm out.
Let's go.
I might actually go break even on this one, though. Oh, look at that reaction. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even. So I'm break even now.
Nice. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I do believe 930 could still push us up here. It definitely can. This 1 hour seems like we're about to break the previous high of that. 4 hours pulling back, right? Expecting that 4 hour to flip. So let's see if this 30-minute, if we do close further down and we do create a top wick of the opening, you could take a current candle entry. Let's see, 5 seconds here.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the... Let's see, can we survive? Yeah, I'm still in. Whoop.
All right, top wick has been formed. Let's see, do we get a bottom wick here?
We might tap me out on break even before we push.
Let's see, if we do get a bottom wick,
I'll
take it here on the 150.
Du kan ha en buy stop på break på 30 minuters high. Men
Yeah, I like this.
det är en aning. Are you gonna have a buy stop?
Yeah, under 150k now.
Yeah.
Let's see here. That's 70 pip
Nuvarande
stops.
candle.
Den,
nuvarande candle,
nej, den andra.
Förra candlen.
Ja, förra candlen, där ska du ha din buy stop.
What are the stops?
On this trade that I'm taking now, it is around 80 pips.
Och TP:n då, ska jag sätta den?
Typ på 89.6. Och
Ja, där.
stop loss kommer vara vart nu den här bottom weekend kommer. So no, I'm dragging down my stop loss again.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
gonna drag down my buy stop. Because I do think if we do now come up and break, we should take off here.
Yeah, bro, I might just add 8 more contracts to this one. It still looks amazing, bro.
Men
Robin,
då klickar jag buy.
Jag kan inte se din skärm så du vet, men jag klickar buy om du har allting set up.
Ja. Så ser du min
Order
skärm nu då?
filled.
There we go. I'm in on the 150.
Yeah, I'm oh, whoop. Oh, damn. I'm in with the... Yeah. I'm in 10 contracts. Let's see what happens.
10 GCs now.
Yeah. Will I survive this? That's the question.
Let's see. Will we survive this second attempt here?
Limit, sell, boom. Alright, let's see. Come up and re-break and we should see a pusher.
Yeah, another rebreak of these highs, and I believe we are to the moon.
Yeah. So where's your TP gonna be?
Well, I'm probably gonna close pretty early. I need like 400, and then I'm set for the CPI.
Yep.
Maybe like 480. But let's see. I'll keep it up here for now, depending on how we move, depending on how we react. Let's see. Break the highs here. Break those highs, and we should be good to go.
Yeah. Oh damn! I'm in profit already. Damn.
Yep, let's go.
Like $300.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That was your TP, right?
Me?
Yeah.
No, that wasn't my screen saying order filled.
What? Who was that?
Who order filled?
Robin, jag kan inte se din skärm så du vet. Alright, let's see. Oh, I might have to, you know.
Order filled.
There we go. Thank you, everyone. I'm out. All right. So this account is now CPI ready, 4.5K. So I'll be able to take out a 2.3K payout on this account. That's the 5th profitable day now. Let's go. What a beautiful month here we've had. So yeah, this account is now ready.
Let's see if we can just break the high one more time, and I'm gonna close some parcels. That might have been it though.
W. Sweetie me. Not sweet time. Yeah, Alex, did you know that?
What?
Cypher's wife's account name is not Sweet Time. It's Sweetie Me.
Sweetie me.
Yeah, that's what it says. It never said Sweet Time. We read it wrong this whole time.
Oh, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking good on the accounts too, man. 800, 900 in total for today. So yeah,
Can we
this.
just break the high.
So now this is the thing, right? Since I have the 50K needing one more profitable day, that could also save it for CPI and do the 150 and the 50K full on out. But then I would have no accounts to trade on. Then I have to buy new accounts. So I don't know about that. Maybe I'll take the payout on the 50K and then trade that one while waiting for CPI, and maybe buy some more accounts too.
So push Goldie, and I'm gonna close partials if we break the high one more time and go break even and just hold for infinity pretty much.
Yeah. How much are you gonna close for the partials?
8. So I'm just gonna stay in with 2 contracts after that. See how much we can just fly pretty much. I mean, if I can hold this one overnight, I might be up like 10 G's for tomorrow, bro.
There you go.
Oh,
there you go. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful day.
Yeah. And that's also break even.
So yeah, 150 there. What a month, man. What a green month. Only 2 losses this month for me. One on the 150 and one on the 50. And that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
nice,
let's
Malaga.
see.
For me, 3 Malaga losses. January has been very good.
Very good month. Yeah, very good month.
Let's see. I'm gonna go. Let's see. I think I made like. Oh damn. Yeah. 378.
Nice. Yeah, we're pushing here.
Yeah, we're pushing. I'm still up.
Just hold it.
almost-
Just hold it, man.
Yeah.
Hold it. I think
Yeah,
this
break
4 hour looks like we're about to break the high and go to all-time high.
Yeah. I'm break even. So if it comes up, it comes up. If not, I don't care if it comes
Yeah.
up. I mean, if we go for all-time high and just shoot to infinity, I would just pretty much crave stops.
Mhm.
Because look, if you go in and look at my screen, bro, you
Alltså,
see.
hör ni mig nu?
Ja.
Jag kan inte ansluta via datan, hör inte ett skit.
Ja, då är det nog fel på din dator.
But yeah, man.
Fortfarande e-trader, Robin.
What a move.
Ja, det är jag.
Ja, har du gått break-even?
Nej.
Gör det. Fucking hell.
Did he go break even? No.
Well, fucking do that, bro. Yeah,
Awesome.
bro. It's like 5 pips away from TP, and you're not break even yet, bro. What the fuck?
But man, this makes me so happy to see is that this whole day, like even in London session, if you go on the Discord, you can see this is what we've been waiting for. Like this is the only move we wanted to see. We got it, we took it, and look, it pays. You know what I mean? So it's so nice to see that what you wait for playing out, and it's so nice, man. It's so nice. Like this whole day, just been waiting for this exact move right here.
I've been in this trade from
What
the
about
15.
trading the plan, Malaga?
Yeah, it's so rewarding. You know what I mean?
Yes.
All the time spent into learning the charts, learning the plan, all of that,
And now
and
it's so easy also.
yeah, it's so easy now. It's so simple that it's mind blowing that it was like how we couldn't understand it in the beginning. You know what I mean?
Very natural. Now, very natural.
Yeah.
I'm up
It's crazy.
170 pips. I'm up 170 pips from the original entry
Yeah.
point. But I re-entered with like 8 contracts. So I don't know why the 2 contracts here is like put on the 30 entry. I
Mhm.
have no idea, bro. So let's hope it just doesn't come down there.
Nice. Yeah. I think we're continuing up here. I think this is a beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade.
Yeah, this is exactly what we waited for all day, bro. So
Yeah.
even if it taps me break even now, I'm already up.
Yeah, you close partials too, right?
Yeah, I closed the 80%. So if it taps break even now, it taps.
Yeah, that's
If
whatever.
not-
That's nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you already made the you already made the most of the position there. So how much did you make from this trade?
Only by that closure.
The 80%.
$380 maybe.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm still up right now over $100, so we can say around $500.
500 is what you're up right now. Okay.
Yeah, right now, basically.
And then, are you aiming for all-time highs, or are you aiming for more than all-time highs?
Bro, if it just uses, bro, I maybe just leave it as it is and come back tomorrow and see how rich I am.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna call it a stream here, right? We took the trade, we got everything done. It was beautiful. I'm gonna call it a stream, and then we'll be back for tomorrow, where I will only be trading the 50k from now on, because the 150k is now CPI ready, in a good way, not in a bad way. I have another account that's CPI ready, but that's because it's about to blow. But yeah.
Ja, den tog min break-even.
Break even.
So yeah, peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.